GoHighLevel just released its much awaited feature of AI, and it's called AI Employee. And the best part is that it is giving this away for free until the end of 2024. Starting 2025, it's going to start charging you for this. But until then, you can enjoy it, use it extremely, absolutely free. So I'll talk about what it is, how it works, and all about it in much more details in the next couple of minutes. But for now, let's understand what exactly is this AI employee and what it does, what are its capabilities, what are the cost pricings, and so many more things. So this is a page from GoHighLevel that talks about AI employee. Smart solutions, big business impact is what GoHighLevel claims it to be. So it comes packaged with voice AI, conversation AI, funnel and website AI, content AI, reviews AI, and workflow AI. While you might think that why do you need a GoHighLevel AI when you already have ChatGPT and so many other AI tools, but when you use GoHighLevel AI, you would be awed by how beautifully AI integrates with your AI GoHighLevel dashboard, and it beautifully works all through. So what is AI Employee? AI Employee is a suite of features that includes voice AI, conversation AI, reviews AI, funnel and website AI, content AI, and workflow AI assistant. And there are two pricing models to it. Even though it's free until December 2024, we don't have a lot of days left until then. Once we get into 2025, this is how it's going to charge you. So for a $97 per month, you're going to get everything for free, unlimited usage for $97 a month. Or if your usage is not very much and you occasionally use AI, then you can go with a pay per usage, that is 0.13, 0.02, 0.08 per review, 0.09 per 1000 words, 0.06 per image, 0.99 per funnel, and 0.02 per request. So that's the entire summary of how it is going to charge you. Apart from that, there's one more thing that you should be knowing is that $97 per month, if you are an agency having multiple sub accounts, this $97 per month is for every single sub account. So it's good that or it's better if you have all the business that you conduct in one sub account if you want to use AI in one account for $97 a month. That's pretty much. If I have to talk about the overview of AI Employee, let's jump on to how it looks like on the GoHighLevel dashboard and how exactly it works, and talk about each one of this AI in much more details.